Hey guys, so in today's video we are going to be talking about the top 3 code editors that are free. All of these are great and have a nice place for starting to code and to just code on. The first editor is Visual Pseudocode. It's a great code editor and the one I use myself. It has a lot of nice functions like snippets and looks nice and sleek. It is free, which means you don't have to pay for anything, and is a great option. It is great for larger, more complex projects, but also is great for small beginner projects that you might be just starting on. It's very robust and has a built-in Git support, which is great. It is great for writing code and has an auto-completion of code and variables, which is a nice shortcut. The next free code editor I wanted to share with you is Atom. This is another great free code editor and is quick and reliable when in use. It can be a bit slow to launch, so you might want to be aware of this. It looks fresh and nice and has integrated Git and GitHub, which is a nice side bonus. It's easy to write code in and has a nice feel to it, so beginning to code in this is a great option. The last free code editor I want to talk about is Brackets. This free code editor is especially suited for Mac OS, but also works on other PCs too. It has some nice simple customization options and a pleasant looking UI. There has been some performance issues with the software, so be aware of that. This free code editor has some nice CSS features that might be interesting to check out, so it's worth checking this software out. One of these is you can locate a styling problem quickly because of the feature for quick CSS editing, which lets you edit any CSS rules that are currently affecting the element that you selected. These are, in my opinion, the top 3 free code editors. I hope you learned something new in this video, and comment down below which one you liked the best. Have fun coding. See you in the next one.